What's up, yeah? This is me, Esmatullah, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Oh my god. What's happening? It's the beginning of snow in Mazarsharief. Dark. It cannot show you. But it's darkness. Snowing. I really like it. I'm freezing right now. Wait a moment. I should wear my glass. Oh guys, hello everyone. It's a poor quality. Hello everyone. I know it's a poor quality, but just I want to show you the snowing right now. Right here. Oh my gosh. That's really good. Here we go. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Pretty good. I have to go home because the weather is very cold. Oh, I have to go home. Oh, really awesome. I'll see you in the next chat. Bye. Oh my god, it's incredible. It's snowing right now. What time is it? Oh my god, 12:42. Mozart. Oh guys, look at this. It's so amazing. Oh my gosh. That's amazing. Pretty good. Snowing, yeah. Oh my god, literally. Snowing down. I really love snow, guys. Look. Here we go. You want it? Wanna guess it? Pretty. Oh, shit. Oh, wow. I really love that. If you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell icon to get all of my updates. Bye for now.